Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Now, today we will start with the topic electric fuse. Can anybody are you all recalling that topic? वो
Yes,
टॉपिक
ma'am.
का आपको याद है पूरा भी जो हम पढ़ाए थे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. क्या है? What is electric fuse?
An electric fuse is
Fuse क्या है?
it is a safety
Why
to
is
limit
that
the
is
electric
lit
current in
as
electric circuit.
the electric current is too high?
Can't hear. One of you answer properly. What is an electric fuse?
An electric fuse is a safety device which is used to limit the electric current in an electric circuit.
It means that if we are talking about electric fuse, then we will say that it is a safety device that will limit the amount of current supply in a circuit. अब आप इसको समझने के लिए ये समझो कि अगर आपके सर्किट में जो सप्लाई सिस्टम है उस सिस्टम में रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट से ज्यादा इफ द अमाउंट ऑफ करेंट which is required for the convenient working of that circuit, if the supply is more than that, then what will happen? क्या होगा?
The appliances connected to it gets damaged.
Okay, it will hamper the appliances connected with it. So just to have a continuous but steady flow of the current, this electric fuse is set up. And this is there in the main switch. Main switch में ही दे दिया जाता है electric fuse. Now we are also having MCBs जो कि आपको मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकडाउन के लिए वर्क करता है, एंड दिस इज अ सेंसिटिव पार्ट ऑफ दैट सर्किट, क्योंकि कहीं भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा सर्किट में, कहीं भी आपको सप्लाई ज्यादा होगा या कम होगा, if it is more also and if it is less also, that MCB will come down. वो आपको डिस्कनेक्ट, कम डाउन का मतलब वहां पर आपको डिस्कनेक्टिविटी शो करे. And the electric fuse is in the main switch, so that when the supply is coming to the main switch, then if it is more than the required amount or if it is less than the required amount, then generally if it is more than the required amount, then that will cut down the supply over there and it will not allow it to pass through the main circuit. And in that way we can save our devices connected. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई दिक्कत, कोई प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
अब आपके पास दो टर्म आता है. दो टर्म क्या है? एक टर्म है शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग एंड ओवरलोडिंग. शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग, if two similar types of wires, they are connected with each other, then that will create a short circuit and that will break down the current supply. That may also damage the or hamper the gadgets. But overloading, if in a circuit there are too many or number of devices connected to the same point or same circuit, current supply, and the supply is being shared by that point, then that may create overload. Clear? So this is what the load is more on a particular circuit or a particular, you can say, switchboard or main switch. So that also creates a problem in the circuit, and sometimes either the gadget will stop working, or due to overloading also it can cut down the current supply. And one more, third term is insulation breakdown. The wires may become overheated and then can even result in fire. Fire may be result कर सकता है. So this is also a term which is related to fuse. Then, as a result of this breakdown, the current flow is stopped immediately, and the appliances are safe. The meltdown action, meltdown of what? What will melt down here? क्या meltdown करेगा? Either the wire will melt down or the switches will melt down. This meltdown action of a fuse with fuse wire depends on the current rating. Means how much supply of current is passing through that particular switchboard.
Wire.
Then to make it more convenient, MCBs are there, miniature circuit breakdown. MCBs are nowadays set up in each and every building, so that this is more sensitive part as compared to electric fuse. इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज से भी सेंसिटिव पार्ट आपका ये होता है एमसीबी, और ये बहुत यूजफुल होता है. आपका थोड़ा सा भी अगर प्रॉब्लम होगा सर्किट में तो इसका स्विच जिस भी पार्ट में, wherever it is connected, wherever it is having problem in which corner of your house, that particular switch will come down and it will be disconnected immediately. And in that way, the supply will be just stopped and your gadget or your main switch will be safe. And these switches work on the basis of magnetic effect of current. Now children, you have to understand this magnetic effect also. What is this magnetic effect? Magnetic effect is that whenever the electric current is supplied, then that behaves like a magnet. वो एक magnet की तरह behave करता है, and it can attract other magnetic substances. वो other magnetic substances को attract. So for that we have one experiment in your book to prove that magnetic effect of current. And that activity is what you have. It is based on it is showing magnetic effect. So magnetic compass needle will be there. Here you have to set up the experiment with this activity with one compass needle, battery, wire, and switch. And when this circuit will have the current supply in it, you will see that there will be deviation in the magnetic compass needle, and this shows that when the supply is there, then it shows magnetic effect is also generated in the circuit. Then you have another activity. एक और एक्टिविटी है मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट का, और वो क्या है कि आपको एक सेटअप करना है सर्किट का, and in that setup you have to take a cardboard also. एक कार्डबोर्ड के थ्रू आपको होल्ड करके और वहां से वायर आपको कनेक्ट करना है with battery and key. Key means switch. And put a compass needle on that board and sprinkle some iron filings. When the electric supply will be there, you will see that the iron filings are arranged in a circular way. That means according to the supply of the current के हिसाब से जिस direction में supply होगा, in a circular position, all the iron filings will be arranged, which is showing the magnetic effect of current on the, because of the magnetic compass present over there and the supply of current through that circuit. Then, यहाँ आपको on what factors does this magnetic effect of magnetism depend upon? Increases with an increase in the strength of electric current. मतलब अगर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट सप्लाई बढ़ेगा तो आपका मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट भी बढ़ेगा. And second point, decreases in distance from the wire when the wire increases. Means according to the increase in the distance, the magnetic effect can decrease. अगर increase करेगा wire का distance तो magnetic effect decrease करेगा. Then we have one topic, that is electromagnet. What is this electromagnet, children? बताइए.
A temporary magnet formed by the electricity.
A temporary magnet that turns on electricity when electric current passes through its coil.
Yes, very good. It is a temporary magnet generated due to supply of electric current. जो आप मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट देखे, करंट सप्लाई के बाद कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट मैग्नेट का भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक शो कर रहा है, उसी चीज को ये एक अलग यूनिट में हम लोग डिस्क्राइब किया है, जिसको हम लोग अलग अलग गैजेट्स में भी यूज करते हैं इस फेनोमेनन को, टू बिहेव लाइक अ मैग्नेट, टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट. एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव वन स्ट्रक्चर. एक स्ट्रक्चर है इसका. And what is its structure? That when you take a hollow cylindrical iron rod, एक iron rod ले लीजिए और इस पर आप copper wire को coil करें. You can coil as much number of turns as you want, but the strength will increase or decrease according to the number of turns. जितना number of turns compact होगा, उसका magnetic property उतना ज्यादा होगा. That will show more magnetic property as the number of turns in the coil will increase in that iron. जितना iron rod में वो number of turns increase करोगे, then again दूसरा factor क्या है इसमें कि increasing the number of turns will increase the magnetic effect and increasing the strength of current. Current का strength अगर ज्यादा increase करेंगे तो भी उसका मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी इंक्रीज. And these electromagnets are utilized, they are present in different size, shape, and it is used in many devices like electric bell, loudspeakers, telephone diaphragms. Giant electromagnets are used in mobile cranes to lift and transfer heavy iron rods and machinery, etc. Doctors use tiny magnets to take out small devices of magnetic material that might fall in eye. Many toys also have electromagnets inside. Then after that we have the topic electric bell. This is an important question, children, for your long answer question. ये long answer question के लिए बहुत ही important question है. And the structure and working of electric bell you have to learn it. In the previous class also I have explained. Today I will again repeat it. That electric bell is also working on the phenomenon of magnetic effect of current. Magnetic effect of current के basis पर electric bell का भी simple device, household device, it works, and it is also consisting of soft iron rod, electromagnet, and contact screw, all arranged in electric circuit as shown in the diagram. Then what it does in its working? It's magnetic. This is the characteristic of electromagnet, that whenever the supply of current is there, then it will act as a magnet and it will attract the armature. As the armature bends towards the electromagnet, the gong is struck. But at the same time, broken. आप इसके where is the contact screw? Contact screw दिख रहा है? स्प्रिंग और सॉफ्ट आयरन आर्मेचर के बीच में जो स्क्रू है. And when it is break down, means the circuit is break down, then circuit gets switched off. As the current flow stops, the electromagnet loses its magnetism and it therefore no longer attracts the armature. The armature gets pulled back to its original position by spring action and it now comes in contact with the contact screw. The circuit gets completed. So that is why, children, when we are pressing the switch of electric bell, you will see that it does not continuously ring. Continuously वो ring नहीं करता है. आपको थोड़ा break होता है उसमें. So this is just due to the disconnectivity of the contact screw and the armature. And till when the switch is pressed, आप जैसे ही switch को unpress करोगे तो वो contact screw के contact में उसका circuit नहीं रहेगा और electromagnetic जो phenomenon develop किया उसमें वो stop. ठीक है? So this is all in this chapter. आप लोग एक बार इसका question answer देख लो. अगर कोई problem है तो you just एक बार check it so that in tomorrow's exam you don't have any confusion. When current is switched on, an electric fan converts electrical energy into wind energy.
Wind energy.
When current is switched on in a room heater, it converts dash energy into gas energy.
Electrical energy into heat energy. Electrical energy into heat energy.
Yes, electrical energy into heat energy. We prefer a wire of dash for making the heating element.
Nichrome.
Yes, nichrome. A safety device based on the heating effect of current is
Electric fuse.
Electric fuse.
Electromagnet should show rapid
magnetism.
when the current is switched.
Magnetism and on. Magnetism
and on. Write true or false for the following statement. An electric current can produce a heating effect but not a magnetic effect.
False.
The heating coils or elements of different electrical appliances are usually made from copper or aluminum wire.
False.
Fuse wire exceeds its specified value, the fuse wire melts and breaks.
True.
Yes. Connecting many devices in a single socket is not likely to cause any problem in a circuit. The strength of an electromagnet can be increased by decreasing the number of turns. False. When electric current flows through a filament of electric device, the filament gives out
Both heat and light energy.
both heat and light energy. A fuse wire is a wire of
High resistivity and low melting point.
high resistivity and low melting point. We are more likely to observe a strong magnetic effect with a
Current carrying circular coil of many turns wound on a soft iron core.
Yes, current carrying circular coil of many turns wound on a soft iron core. A common household device that uses an electromagnet in its working is
The
the
electric bell. The electric
The
bell.
electric bell.
The electric bell. The electric bell.
The electric
a
bell.
good,
The
yes,
electric bell.
a good electromagnet would
Acts like a
Act
magnet
like a
when the
magnet
current
when
Act
current
like a
on, but do
magnet
not
when the
when the
current is
current is
on,
off.
but would
Act like
not
a
do
magnet
so
when
when
the
the
current is
current
on,
is off.
but would not do so when the
act like
current
a
is off.
magnet when the current is on, but would not do so when the current is off. Answer the following questions. The bulb in circuit shown in figure does not glow white. Draw the circuit diagram by making necessary changes in it so that the bulb starts glowing. Now, what
We
will
have
be what
to
will be
because
the
the switch
changes
is
you
off.
will do? Switch
the
को on
firstly the
position में
switch is
करोगे?
open.
Battery negative
Battery
and should contain one negative and one positive, but the battery contains two positive terminals.
Yes, switch will be in on position and battery will be positive and negative. Name 3 practical devices based on heating effect of current. Electric iron,
Electric iron,
Electric iron, immersion rod, electric heater, geyser.
Electrical heater, electrical
Electrical
iron and
iron,
immersion
immersion rod, electrical heater, and geyser.
heater, electrical iron and
Electrical
immersion rod.
immersion rod and electrical heater.
yes. Write 2 special characteristic of wire needed for making the element of an electric heater.
It has a high melting point. It has a high resistivity.
Can
It
remain
has a high melting point. It has a high resistivity. It can remain red hot for a long time without getting oxidized or burning out.
burning out.
Burning out.
Yes, it will be high melting point, high resistivity, and it can remain hot for a long time without getting oxidized
Or
or
burning out.
कोई भी 2 point लिख दोगे. Give the meaning of the term short circuiting and overloading.
Fire due to faulty insulation is called short circuiting. Overloading connection of more than one device to a single socket is known as overloading.
The neutral wire due to faulty insulation is called as short circuiting. Overloading connecting of more than one device
More
is
than one device to a single socket.
Yes, connecting more than one device or appliance to a single socket is overloading, and short circuiting, touching of the live
and neutral wire due to faulty insulation.
due to faulty insulation. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bag from garbage heap? Explain.
No,
because
because plastic is not a magnetic material. Plastic bag is not a magnetic material.
Material.
An electromagnet
can
attract magnetic
Magnetic materials. And plastic is not a magnetic material.
Plastic is a non-metal.
Magnetic material.
Take any 3 appliances of an applications of an electromagnet.
Electric bell, telephone,
electric
diaphragm.
bells, loudspeakers, and telephone diaphragms.
Electric bells, loudspeakers, and telephone diaphragms.
And telephone. Now even
The same
the
amount of
same amount of current flows through the connecting wires and the bulb filament. However, it is only the filament that glows white.
the same amount of current flows through the connecting wires and the bulb filament. It is only the filament that glows because the bulb filament is made up of tungsten wire which can remain white hot and glows brightly for a long time. This is a special characteristics of the bulb present in the filament of the bulb, but connecting wires do not have this special feature.
Yes, very good. Then the brightness of light emitted by a bulb is observed to decrease when an electric heater is connected in series with it. Suggests the likely reason for this observation.
This is because electric heater absorbs much more power than an electric bulb, and if it is connected in the series, the current is shared directly with effect on the brightness of the bulb.
Because electric heater absorb much more power, and if it is connected in series, the current is shared directly, gives effect on the brightness of the bulb.
Brightness of the bulb.
Yes. Let's listen, children. Those who have not written the appropriate answer, consult among yourself and write down this appropriate answer. This I have given you, dictated you, and given you on your work. So ये आपको appropriate लिखना है. ये आपको directly answer. It is not given in the book. Suggest an experimental setup to illustrate the action of an electric
The
fuse.
electric fuse is a safety device which is used to limit the current in an electric circuit. The purpose of the fuse is to safeguard the circuit and appliances connected to it from getting damaged due to excessive heating caused by the flow of a large amount of current. When we use a proper and correctly positioned fuse wire in the electric circuit, the fuse wire is the first to melt down when it gets heated up. This happens when the current in the circuit becomes close to or more than the specified safe limit of the circuit. As a result, a break is created in the circuit and current flow through it stops immediately. The appliances are thus saved from damages.
An electric fuse is
An
an
electric fuse is a
safety
device which is used to limit the current in the electric circuit.
Yes. A novice electrician, while carrying out some repairs in Sumit's house, tried to put a piece of tungsten wire in a fuse. Sumit's father, on noticing this, stopped him from doing so. Give reason as why he did that.
He did so because tungsten wire has a high
He
melting
did
point
so
and extra
because
current will flow
tungsten
throughout the wire.
has high melting point.
Breaking of the
So
current supply
the
will be damage the
extra current
devices
flows
connected to the fuse.
tungsten wire instead of breaking the current
Tungsten wire has
supply,
a high melting point.
damage
Extra
the
current will flow
devices
to the
connected to
wire.
the fuse.
Okay. He did so because tungsten wire has high melting point. So if current will flow through tungsten wire, instead of breaking the current supply, it will damage the devices connected to the fuse.
Connected to the fuse.
Draw a label diagram of an electric bell and explain its working. This you can take the help of page number 256. And as I told you, that all the points are more or less important points and they are correlated. तो आप इसमें से कोई चीज omit नहीं कर सकते. All the points you will write about the working of electric bell and you will draw the diagram. ठीक है? This is your chapter for portion for tomorrow's exam. All of you please go through it, learn properly. And anything you want to ask, अभी आपको कुछ पूछना है तो और पूछ लीजिए. If you want me to discuss.
Ma'am, what is solenoid?
Okay. देखो solenoid आपको similar to the magnet है और it also shows the magnetic effect. But जैसे magnet में south pole और north pole होता है, उसी तरह का ये होता है, लेकिन but it is also correlated with electromagnet जिसमें number of turns और coils भी होता है. ठीक है? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट जब हम जनरेट करते हैं तो उसमें कोई नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल नहीं डेवलप होता है, बट सोलेनॉइड में नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल डेवलप होता है और इसमें भी करंट कैरिंग वायर होता है एंड दिस supply or current supply is increased or decreased according to the number of turns as it is in the electromagnet. उसी तरह का solenoid. ठीक है? लेकिन इसका थोड़ा वर्किंग डिफरेंट होता है. इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. नाउ वन ऑफ यू इसको थोड़ा रीडिंग करिए तो आप लोग पेज नंबर इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज से.
Ma'am, may I read?
रीड कर.
Ma'am, may I read this?
Know that the heat produced in a wire increases by strength of current flowing through it. If therefore the current through a wire increases beyond a limit, the wire will become too hot and can even melt down and break. The amount of current at which meltdown occurs depends on the nature of material used. We have put this fact to practical use designing electric fuses for our household circuits and for protection of different electrical and electronic devices. Activity 3. Set the circuit of the previous activity, but in place of nichrome wire, tie a thin strand of steel wool. Steel wool is commonly used for cleaning utensils. Now, pass the current through the circuit for some time. Observe the strand of wool carefully. Note what happens. Does this strand of steel wool melt and break? Wires made from special materials melt quickly and break when large currents are passed through them. These wires are used for making electrical fuses. An electric fuse is a safety device which is used to limit the current in an electric circuit. The purpose of the fuse is to safeguard the circuit and appliances connected to it from getting damaged due to excessive heating caused by the flow of a large amount of current. There is always a maximum limit of the current which can safely flow through a given circuit or a given appliance. When the current in the circuit exceeds the specified maximum safe value due to a 1 for short circuiting, touching of wires lead to short circuiting. Second, overload. More than one device appliance is connected to a single socket. Insulation breakdown. The wires may become overheated and this can even result in fire. It is in such situation that the fuse plays its role. When we use a proper and correctly positioned fuse wire in the circuit, the fuse wire is the first to melt down when it gets heated up. This happens when the current in the circuit becomes close to or more than the specified safe limit of the circuit. As a result, a break is created in the circuit and current flows through it, stops immediately. The appliances are thus saved from damages. The meltdown action of a fuse wire depends upon
Ma'am,
its
can I?
current rating. The fuse wire must be a current rating or at a little less than the maximum safe current which a current or appliances can withstand. For this reason, fuse wires of different kinds are used for different circuits and different appliances. Do you know? It is interesting to note that the meltdown limit of the current for a given fuse wire does not depend on its length. We very often use an alloy of tin and lead, which has a high resistivity and a low melting point for making fuse wires. We now also have an alternative to the fuse wires for our household circuits. These are the miniature circuit breakers (MCBs). These are now more commonly used as safety devices in our households. MCBs are automatic electric switches which automatically turn off when the current exceeds its safety limit. Most of these switches work on the basis of the magnetic effect of current.
Ma'am, can I read?
Magnetic
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
read?
next.
Ma'am, Rishabh
Ma'am,
Raj.
Omkar. Ma'am, Omkar.
हाँ पढ़ो.
Ma'am, Rishabh Raj.
We have discussed
ओंकार
the
जी
heating
पढ़ो.
effect of current and understood how we use it to our advantage. Does the electric current have some other effects also? We have already discussed in class 6 the properties of a bar magnet and methods of making a magnet. Have you ever wondered at the possibility of making a magnet without using any magnetic material at all? Is there any relationship between electricity and magnetism? Hans Christian Ørsted was the first person to establish the relationship between these two. He observed that a current carrying wire can deflect a compass needle, and this deflection lasts as long as the current flows through the wire. Let us know let us now do some activities to observe the magnetic effects of electric currents. Activity 4. Make a simple electrical circuit consisting of a long straight wire, switch, plug key, a torch, bulb and a battery of 9 volts is that 6 cells of 1.5 volts as shown in the diagram. Now hold a compass needle parallel to and over the wire. Switch on the current for a short time only. What do we observe? As the current flows through the wire, the needle gets deflected. This shows that the current carrying wire can act like a magnet. Activity 5. Take a piece of cardboard, insert a wire through its center, perpendicular to the cardboard. Now sprinkle some iron fillings on the cardboard. Complete the circuit as shown for a short time only and gently tap the cardboard. You will observe that the iron fillings get rearranged in the circles centered on the wire. This shows that the current carrying wire can affect the iron filling. Hence, the current carrying wire produces the magnetic effect. We can now say that it is possible to produce magnetism without using a magnet. A current carrying wire also acts like a magnet and produces magnetic effects, quite like a bar magnet. We call this phenomenon as the magnetic effect of the current. Do you know? The magnitude of magnetism produced by an electric current in a wire First, increases with increase in the strength of electric current. Second, decreases as the distance from the wire increases. Electromagnets. We often
Explanation
utilize.
that. Rishabh, you read. Rishabh, you were asking just now. Rishabh, do you want to read? Any other student? कोई और बच्चा पढ़ो. Please continue. Omkar, you continue.
Okay, ma'am. Electromagnets. We often utilize the magnetic effect of current to make temporary magnets, known as electromagnets. A coil of large number